In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Amazon Flex account. So you can simply do this by using the app itself. So what you can do, if you don't have the app yet, just go to your Play Store or App Store and then just search for Amazon Flex and download the app. So that's the app. So once you have downloaded it, hit on open and this will launch the app. And now here, okay, so now you have the option to create an account here, but if you already have an Amazon account, you can also sign in with your Amazon account. In that way, you don't actually have to create a new account. You can simply use your existing Amazon account. So either way, you can do that. So if you want to create an account, click on create an account, and then here what we're going to do is plug in the details of your name, email address, password, and everything. Click on create Amazon account. So this will now create an Amazon account. It might send you a verification link to your email address where you have to go to email and then click on that link to verify your email address. Once that, your Amazon account will be created and you'll be using this Amazon account for your Amazon Flex also. But if you have an Amazon account, you can simply click on sign in with Amazon and then plug in your Amazon details here. You plug that in and hit on sign in, and that's it. You can simply use your Amazon account with your Amazon Flex. So you don't really have to create an account. You can simply use the existing account.